Postcode here for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789 763 432. Today I'm going to show you around this brand new 2024 Swift Challenger SE 580 model. 580 features the island bed with a washroom across the back. Wonderful specification, it includes ATC, active trailer control. You have got the barbecue point, access to the space under the front seats. It also features an external power socket if you wish to power something up in an awning. Graphics are all nice and smart. The new Swift products have got this really hard-wearing GRP exterior shell, including the hail-resistant roof, and also the underside is GRP. One thing I would like to point out, if I may, is they do come with fixing points for an optional bike rack on all the Swift products. Right, let me give you a tour around this particular model. So, we've got full width panoramic window and the opening Hecky roof light window. That means there's lots and lots of natural daylight coming into the front, making it feel super spacious. We've got cassette blind system featuring night and fly screens. You've got the wall fabric pads just to soften up the whole of the interior. Seating for 4. Makes into 2 little singles or a double. Useful practical chest of drawers. Kitchen extension. Fridge with freezer compartment with easy to use touch control. Wet heating system, care of the Alcester system. Cooker unit featuring the electric hot plate. Kitchen omnivore. Latest flatbed microwave system. Easy to clean wooden effect flooring. Loose lay carpet tailored mat set. Island bed as it looks. If you've not seen these before, extend out towards the window for evening use. They lift up nice and high to reveal all the storage. You can access that space from outside. That's its daytime position. Sliding space saving door to the washroom across the back. If you go this way to my colleague, you've got the loo, you've got shower, wash basin, and there you have it. Once again, it's Gary at Broadlane. We offer fantastic part exchange offers. We've got finance subject to status. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you very much.